Ever feel like time doesn't add up? Like somewhere, somehow, the clock skipped, and we just kept going. Today I'm chasing the unsolved riddle of Earth's missing time. Let's start with the biggest vanishing act in history. In October 1582, people went to sleep on October 4th, and woke up on October 15th. 10 days. Gone. That's when the Catholic world switched from the Julian to the new Gregorian calendar to fix centuries of drift. England and its colonies waited until 1752 and had to drop 11 days. Imagine losing your birthday because math said so. But that's just the obvious stuff. Since 1972, scientists have added leap seconds, tiny one-second patches, to keep our atomic time aligned with Earth's wobblier rotation. We've added 27 so far. And here's the twist. Earth has been spinning a little fast lately, which means we might face a negative leap second, deleting a second. A literal blink pulled out of existence. Then there's the missing year 0. Our calendar jumps from 1 BC to AD 1 with nothing in between. Astronomers work around it with their own numbering, but for everyone else, that gap quietly warps how we measure ancient dates. Daylight saving time. Every spring an hour vanishes. In fall we steal it back. Kind of. The clock changes. Your body not so much. And while we're on the subject, modern life runs on two competing clocks. There's UTC, our best attempt at a perfect, atomic tick-tock. And there's UT1, tied to Earth's actual rotation, messy, tidal, tugged by the moon. They drift apart unless we nudge them with leap seconds. In 2022, the world's timekeepers agreed to phase out leap seconds by 2035. So, what happens when our clocks and the planet slowly part ways? Will noon stop matching the sun overhead? Here's where the riddle deepens. Physics says time is elastic. On a jet or a GPS satellite, time literally ticks differently. Your phone can find you because it constantly corrects for relativity. You live a few nanoseconds faster on a mountain than at sea level. It's not science fiction, it's Tuesday. There are wilder claims too. Some argue entire centuries were fabricated. The phantom time hypothesis. It makes for great late-night debates, but the evidence doesn't hold up against astronomy, archaeology, tree rings. So, where did the time go? Some of it was edited out, on purpose, to realign our days with the sky. Some was shaved off in seconds to keep our machines in sync. Some is always slipping due to gravity and motion. And some is only missing because our calendars are imperfect maps of a very weird territory. If this unsettles you a bit, good. It means you're awake to the puzzle. Check your watch. Now look up. The cosmos isn't on your schedule. And that's the riddle I can't stop thinking about. Not just where time goes, but who decides what counts. If you want a part 2, I'll dive into how we might live when noon and the sun finally disagree. Until then, don't just keep time, question it.